Reigning Crypto presents Base Ecosystem. Base is an Ethereum Layer 2 chain designed to provide a secure, cost-effective, and user-friendly environment for building decentralized applications, dApps. Developed in collaboration with Optimism, Base benefits from Ethereum's security while offering improved scalability. Coinbase launched Base on August 9, 2023. Essentially, Base is a crypto ecosystem with promising up-and-coming crypto projects. This is much like what Binance did with BNB Chain, which provided an ecosystem for many successful altcoins. Coinbase is second to Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. However, unlike Binance, Coinbase is listed on the stock markets, giving it a more secure place to trade in cryptocurrencies. Incubated within Coinbase, it capitalizes on the company's decade-long experience in the crypto space and plans to gradually transition into a decentralized network. Base is built on Ethereum's foundation, ensuring a high level of security for dApps. It leverages the optimistic Optimism technology stack, making it a Layer 2 solution that can accommodate a larger number of transactions at lower costs compared to Ethereum's mainnet. As Base is incubated within Coinbase, developers can easily tap into Coinbase's vast user base, products, and tools. This seamless integration enables dApp creators to access over 110 million verified users and more than $80 billion in assets within the Coinbase ecosystem. Base offers compatibility with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) and reduces transaction fees significantly. It introduces features like gasless transactions through developer APIs for account abstraction, making it easier for users to interact with dApps without worrying about gas costs. Base is intended to serve as a bridge between Coinbase's products and the decentralized crypto economy. It won't introduce a new network token. Instead, Ethereum's native token ETH will be used as the gas token for transactions on the Base network. Base embraces decentralization and openness. It's designed to be modular and is built on the open-source MIT-licensed OpStack in partnership with Optimism. This encourages the growth of a thriving developer community. While initially incubated within Coinbase, Base has long-term plans to become more decentralized over time. This transition aims to align with the principles of decentralization, enhancing the network's resilience and independence. The Coinbase Wallet browser extension provides support for Base by default. Base can be added as a custom network to any EVM-compatible wallet, for example MetaMask. Remember, Ethereum is the native currency of Base. Don't get confused and end up buying other tokens with the Base ticker. In conclusion, Base is an Ethereum Layer 2 chain developed with security, scalability, and accessibility in mind. Through its collaboration with Coinbase and Optimism, it provides a platform for developers to create dApps with lower fees, seamless integrations, and access to a wide user base. Base's open-source nature and plans for decentralization reflect a commitment to building a robust and inclusive crypto ecosystem. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for future videos on trending crypto projects and ecosystems.